How to get a cough drop marker. First, go to the back of Chef. And we can see we have a word fill rock. Second, go to the snow biome. And go to this black shadow. And let's type Wheel Rock 3 times.
You're on the right track, but you're really wrong. What do you think Hill Rock means? Maybe you should look at the hill and see if you can find a marker. I'd say step on the rock. Yeah, try that. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to get a marker? Well, tough luck. You won't find one here. Look somewhere else.
And
Gosh, you're
ta-da!
persistent. Fine. Take the marker. SMH.